So you're selling a piece of software that will be used by the general public, people who might not be tech savvy or lack experience with similar products. So in order to save them time and effort, you decide to create tutorials on how your technology can be used. So you create a screen recording which explains the functions in details. And yet your customer service channels are full of people who have questions about your software. Ultimately, you lose time, money, and customers who never manage to follow the video tutorial. Hey there, this is Ina from Kashu, and today I'll share 4 tips on how to make your software tutorials better so you can keep your viewers engaged. We all know that if your users are engaged and feeling taken care of, they will be your customers for the long run. But when you have a complex piece of software and want to show the features, making an informative, engaging, and entertaining video can be tricky. Here are some tips that will guide you through the process. A lot of people make a huge mistake when creating their product tutorials. They make them long and boring. I know what you're thinking. I have so many things to share. Well, in this case, it's better to split the information into segments and create different videos for every segment. You can refer people to the next video after they are done watching this one. The other reason why shorter tutorials are way better than longer ones is that sometimes people are searching for a specific thing. And if they have to watch an entire 20-minute tutorial, they might get annoyed and leave the page. If you want to keep your tutorial informative and engaging, but are unsure how to shorten it, you can add a narration. Adding a voiceover to your video will drastically shorten your tutorial. It also makes it sound more professional and easier to follow than text. Keep in mind that if you decide to use text on screen rather than a voiceover, you will need to add pauses of at least 10 seconds per sentence so people have the time to read it. Also, if your tutorial demonstrates how your software works and shows text on screen at the same time, keep in mind that viewers might find it hard to focus on both. So if you decide to use text in the video, pause the video for a few seconds. That way your viewers would have time to read it and then see the demonstration. Adding animations to your tutorial would make it way more dynamic and fun. For example, you can add a call-out animation or an animated label when you want to highlight a feature or show a specific tab. That will direct people's attention to the important part and keep them engaged. Also, speaking about animations, they can simplify your message and drive your average watch time through the roof. Simplifying the complex is a must when creating tutorials. We want people to understand what you're showing them right away. If they're still confused after watching the tutorial, there is no point in having one at all. Creating a fully animated tutorial is a great way to simplify your message. You can simplify your UI and make it come to life. This can help you eliminate any distractions so you can ensure people focus only on the essential parts. Here's an example of a vectorized UI that we have created. As you can see, we have simplified everything while keeping the original UI in mind. We didn't use a lot of text, and everything that is not essential is more abstract. Also, animations can hide any sensitive information. If you decide to record your tutorial and not to animate it, the last tip is to use good screen recording software. Here's my list of the best softwares you can use to record your screen. Apple computers also have a pretty good built-in recorder that you can use, but remember to keep your screen clean. If you're showing a browser, hide the bookmarks and your profile. The viewers can focus only on the UI and what you're showing them. Also, turn off your notifications so you don't have to start all over again every time a friend sends you a text on Insta. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm gonna see you next week.